back to the channel. My name is Josh, the cooking cop.
And my name is Babe, and I cook for the cop.
So today we have a really good recipe outside on the Pit Boss 5-burner flat top griddle.
Ooh, you've got it down.
Oh, I got it down. But before we do that, I really want to say thank you from both of us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Every single view means a lot to us because in between going to the hospital and then feeling like a dump truck after the hospital, we have a limited number of days that we're able to film. So we appreciate you watching this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
And also, a little twist on this video, we usually roll our top tier channel members at the very end of the video, but you know what, let's roll them across the screen right now. We'll start the video thanking you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you for supporting our channel at the highest level. We're gonna be making the most epic fajitas today with a homemade refried bean. Super simple, refried beans, fajitas, chicken, little tortillas on the flat top. It's gonna be amazing. Babe has a couple tricks up her sleeve. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. And here we go. Okay, babe, are you ready for your shopping list?
Ready.
So for the fajitas today, we're going to be using chicken. Chicken thighs. Babe cut them up into little tiny pieces. Then we're going to be using some bell peppers that Babe cut up. We're also be using a white onion. We got a little bit of jalapeno. We have some limes, cilantro, and tortillas. Right, babe?
That's right.
You're such a good hand model. And then for the refried beans, you got a can of pinto beans, and then Babe adds garlic, salt, and cumin, and a little bit of avocado oil, and those will make epic refried beans. We got this. I'm going to hold this up for the camera here. Now I'm a hand model. Let me see if it will work. There we go. This is Fiesta fajita seasoning, and we have found that, and we ordered it online, and we love it. It's really, really good. And you got some crema, you got some green salsa, we got a new little infrared thermometer. There's all kinds of stuff. Oh, and Babe's leftover guacamole.
From the Super Bowl.
From the Super Bowl.
It's delicious. Homemade.
And this little thing off Amazon that holds your tacos just perfectly. So yeah, this is everything that we're working with today for this recipe. It's going to be epic, and Babe's going to cook now. Right?
Right.
Some rare behind-the-scenes footage of Babe preparing her griddle. Yeah, Babe. Are you ready to make epicness?
Oh, I'm ready.
I wonder how much of the gardeners that everybody's going to be able to hear in the background of the video.
Okay, babe. We're going to start with our olive oil. Or, I mean, this is actually avocado oil. But you can do olive oil if you want. And we're going to let that heat up so that we can put our beans in there. That's going to take a little bit of time to cook. And then it's raining tree on my griddle. That's okay. Let's lay some more avocado oil down. And we're going to throw our veggies on. You
should use your new super thermometer and tell the people what the temperature is. What do you have it on, medium right now?
I have it on high right now. It's just warming up. We've got it at 269, 225, 202, 125. It's getting there. We
really have a problem with one side of this griddle.
Yeah.
We're trying to figure that out with Pit Boss.
All right, we're gonna throw our bell peppers down and get those going. Josh wants some onions and some jalapenos in his. So we're gonna put a little bit of those, a little bit of oil down and put those down over here. Keep them separate. Okay. Get these down and cooking. We've got our oil heating up here. Let's get our beans in. You don't want to use the juice until the end.
But save the juice.
Save the juice. You just get what you can out. Some juice comes, it's okay. Okay, this fajita seasoning is incredible. We bought some online, and you have to use a lot, but it is very yummy. So we're going to season up our veggies while they cook. I feel like you can't really go overboard with it. Smells very good already.
Oh, now I smell it. It smells super good.
Yeah, it's yummy. All right, so I'm cooking the bell peppers. You just got to keep them moving. Spread them out so that they don't bunch up because they are a little bit harder to cook without steam. Got our onions and jalapenos over here going. Oh, those smell really good.
And your beans are warming.
And the beans are warming.
How's your beans doing?
They're looking good. They need to boil a little more. Fry. I guess just fry them for oil. Okay, let's throw our chicken down. And we have chicken thighs.
My favorite.
Your fave. And we'll put some fajita seasoning. My fave.
I think you're making enough food for 25 people again, babe.
Well, that's the only way I know how to cook, apparently. Gives us a lot of leftovers.
That's good.
Coming along. It's a little windy out. Oh, babe.
The smells are traveling around the neighborhood.
How do those look?
Very tasty.
Okay, so we can probably turn this on low on this side and move our veggies all over here. Check our beans. They look about ready. These take about 5 to 8 minutes, I would say, once you get them going. Okay, get our beans mashed up.
So the only thing you have in there right now is just the avocado oil and the pinto beans.
Right.
And a lot of times you've made this without avocado oil, but bacon fat.
Oh yeah, bacon grease is actually even better if you want to take the time to do that.
But not as healthy.
Not as healthy, and if you're just doing a quick little homemade refried beans, this is super easy and quick.
And you can make them the consistency that you want.
Yep.
Either super thin or super thick.
Yep.
Or...
And I take this and turn it into bean dip sometimes too, and I'll just add a little bit of cheese and some hot sauce, and it's really good. Okay, we're gonna add our cumin, and we're gonna add our garlic salt, and this is all to taste, to what you like. If you like it saltier, less salty. I usually add about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of cumin.
That looks like more than a teaspoon to me, babe.
Yeah, maybe.
I think you went a little crazy with the cumin.
And a little bit of garlic salt. That's very powerful. Don't get too crazy.
Like you did with the cumin?
Like I did with the cumin. And when you're working on these griddles, make sure that you are paying attention to how hot this is, because it will really hurt if you put your hand on there. Okay, so see how these get to dry up just a little bit? So this is when I'm going to go in and add my juice. And that just thins them out. How's that look, babe?
Looks really good.
Did you want to taste it?
Sure.
Okay, babe.
Is this going to burn my brain off?
No, it should be okay. What do you think?
Oh, they're pretty good. It needs a little more garlic salt.
A little more garlic salt coming in. Oh, I get scared putting too much garlic salt in just because I've made them way too salty before. How's the cumin?
Cumin-y.
Oh, is it?
No, it's good.
Okay. All right. So I've went ahead and I've turned these two burners off. All right. I'm going to throw a couple limes on and just grill them up real quick. And then I'm going to squeeze them over the veggies. Oh, yeah. I like it. Okay.
What do you think, babe?
I think we're done. I think everything looks good. We are ready to put this together. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and warm these tortillas up really quick right here on my griddle. It's still very hot, so you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about turning it off and it getting cold. Okay, are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready to eat, babe.
Okay. All right, let's get this going. We're gonna lay down some beans.
I think you questioned me about putting beans in. You're like, that's kind of like a burrito. But I always built my
It is,
fajitas
yeah.
at like restaurants and stuff. I put a little bit of bean,
Yeah.
protein, peppers, onions,
Yeah, babe.
all kinds
It's
of
your-
stuff. Cilantro,
It's your
crema.
fajita. I'm just living in it.
It's my fajita world.
Your fajita. I'm just living in it. Oh, yeah. This smells very yummy.
we're about to seriously grub down.
Yeah, babe.
I need to get it in now because that hospital food is disgusting.
I know. I'm sorry. Oh, that looks pretty good, babe.
It's going to be super good.
Pretty good. And all the colors from the bell peppers are really pretty. And a little bit of onions and jalapenos. What do you think?
Yeah. Those are caramelized grilled onions, babe. Those are going to be rocking.
You know what they remind me of? That smell?
What?
Dirt dog.
Dirt dog?
Downtown street dogs.
Downtown street dogs.
That's what that smell
I'll
reminds
put.
me
That's
of.
an old video. We put that out a long time ago. I'll put a link above for that. That was our beginning YouTube career video.
So fun. All right. We're going to put guac. Some salsa.
Good job, babe. Good job.
I need to like put it in a little in like a little squeezy thingy, and then I could, you know, make it look really nice.
Look, the magic of me being a hand model again.
You are a hand model, babe. Would you mind setting this on the...
Sure, hand model. I'll absolutely hand model that.
Thank you. Thank you, my little model. Okay, and then some cilantro. What do you think?
Looks yummy to me, babe.
Does that look good?
Yep.
Okay.
Time to grub down.
Time to eat. Oh wait, we need the limes. Do you want to get your final portrait picture now?
Yeah. You got to squeeze a little lime juice on there,
Lime
too.
juice, yeah. Look at how pretty those
Show
are.
the limes. Yeah, they're a little roasty toasty.
That's a little hot on my fingies. Okay. Okay, babe. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
I don't know. These are pretty epic, babe.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Look at the juices. The juices are juicing.
The juices are flowing. Are you ready? Cheers.
Oh boy. Oh yeah. Mmm. It's all over my face. Thank you, assistant.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you.
That was really good, babe.
Super yummy.
Yeah.
Lots of flavor.
Lots of flavor, town.
Lots of flavors. I like it. Whew.
Oh.
Those jalapenos are spicy.
Well,
No? Just on me?
you guys, flat top griddle, fajitas. Woo, well, maybe it is spicy. My nose running a little bit. Flat top griddle, fajitas, homemade refried beans, onions, jalapenos, peppers, chicken, everything.
Deliciousness.
Deliciousness.
Cheers, everybody. Thank you
Thank
for
you for
watching.
watching. We'll see you on the next one.